Hi, I'm Kerri Walsh Jennings, 5-time Olympian. I take my recovery as seriously as I take my training sessions. I prioritize recovery, sleep, and nutrition because I know it all adds up to feeling better and improving performance. Firefly Recovery has become my go-to for post-training recovery. It fights muscle fatigue, increases blood flow, decreases muscle soreness, and improves muscle performance. Now I will show you how to use a Firefly Recovery device. Your Firefly device comes in a foil packet. Carefully open the foil packet and pull out the 2 Firefly devices. Firefly works best on clean, dry skin, and you will want to wear both at the same time. First, I'll show you how to place the Firefly. It's important to place the Firefly correctly to get the desired benefit of increased circulation and 3 times faster recovery. The Firefly is easiest to place if you are seated and your legs are bent. Remove the backing on the Firefly. Start at your outer ankle bone and follow the side of your leg up toward your knee until you reach the bony spot, which is just below and to the outside of the knee. Place the indicator line over the bony spot by your knee and press down the Firefly firmly into place. The Firefly short strap will be toward the front and the longer section will wrap around your leg. To turn on the device, press the plus button for 2 seconds. The Firefly will blink once to indicate that you are on level 1. When I press the plus sign again, the Firefly will blink twice. If I hold the minus button for 4 seconds, the Firefly will turn off. There are 7 levels on the Firefly. You want to be on the lowest level where your feet have a slight twitch, the Firefly flutter. A higher level does not provide better recovery. The Firefly works best with the knee straps, and I will show you how to place those now. If you straighten your legs or stand up, you may find that you need to turn the Firefly up to a higher level to make sure that you still feel a slight twitch. When you're done with your recovery session, turn the Firefly off. The Firefly is a reusable device with a 30-hour battery life. Please see the usage guide for when to use the device and how long to use it. To store the Firefly, make sure the device is off. Gently remove the Firefly and place the devices back on the white backing to preserve them for future use. Recovery is an essential part of training and performance. I like to use the Firefly to warm up before training, after training, for recovery, and during travel.